Dick Bartley. Dick Bartley's on. Bill Goudy checking in. Man, oh man, what a day. I'm telling you, Dick Bartley's on. I'm wearing 36 pants. I've put notches in my belt. I've worked hard. Yep. I worked hard. I've reached a goal. You know, I haven't lost the weight. I've lost the inches. Oh, hey. Thank you, Crawdaddy Forge. Link for Mark. Yeah, it would be down below. Oh, isn't that awesome? Look at that. Yeah, I haven't, you know, I'm losing inches. And all I'm doing is counting carbs. I'm amazed. Absolutely amazed. I'm not suffering. Yeah, you know, I'm exercising. I'm doing a little more exercise, but anyway, I'm celebrating. Oh, wow. Man, that is good. I want to thank Big Bad Brad's grandpa. Yeah, I did a little job for him, and I helped. That's all. Anyway, he supplied me. That was another sign, I think. He supplied me with bottles of Busch beer and told me and showed me where I could get some of these, and about 40 miles north of here. Man, oh man, that is good. Holy cow. I gotta be careful. Man. Listen, we're gonna cook what I would call a New York strip. It's a beef steak I cut myself. It's about, you know, 3/4 of an inch thick, but I eat mostly a plant-based diet. So I'm gonna have a salad. I'm going to do some mushrooms and onions in a foil packet, just along in the coals alongside the steak. In fact, I'll probably put those on first, and then because I'm celebrating, but I want to maintain, so I'm not going to go all out. I'm just going to have a couple of beers, a couple of ice cold Busch beer to bottle, listen to Dick Bartley, and have a steak. Man, well-deserved steak, well-deserved Busch. Come along for the ride, will you? Check it out. Well, it appears that I just have a part of an onion. That's all right. I don't care. It's just me. So, yeah, that'll work. I'm going to slice that up. I'm going to leave I had some peppers out of the garden. The tail end of the peppers, and so I'm going to slice that onion, and I'm going to wrap that in foil, and then I'm going to put those mushrooms in there. And a lot of times I'll use Worcestershire sauce, but today I'm just going to put Lowry's. I just got a little bit of Lowry's seasoning salt I'm going to put on there. I'll put a little butter in there. Put the dull side out. Let's see. Let's put about 2 tablespoons. 2 tablespoons of butter. I'll add a little seasoning to that, yeah. That ought to do it. I'll double wrap this.
Most often report better sleep within a week. No pills, no side effects. To find out if this is right for you, Schedule an initial assessment at
Yep.
grandcentersc.com and mention
Just toss her in.
for first appointment.
Takes about 15 minutes.
grandcentersc.com.
I get a few questions about this grill. I got it. Well, I got it as a gift from Bulldog Bill, and he bought it at the farm store. I don't know what he paid for it, but it sure does work good. Yeah, sure does. Well, all we can do is sit back and wait. I'm going to give those mushroom and onion just a little bit of time before I put the steak on. I like my steak rare, so you know that's pink in the middle. And I put 8-ounce meat tenderizer on it this time, and it's in the refrigerator, and just waiting for me to put on that grill. I want to sanitize that grill and do those vegetables, so I'll let it burn off a little bit. Might as well listen to Dick Bartley and have a cold one. Man, look at the goodness. Yeah, New York strip, hand cut, drenched in 8-ounce meat tenderizer. All we gotta do now is cook it to medium rare. It's looking good. Running out of light. That's usual, isn't it?
24.5 The X, KRXL, Kirksville. Kansas City Chiefs football is brought to you by Kelly's Furniture, Supreme Body Shop,
Almost done.
AJ's Eat and Drink, Side District
minutes.
Farm and Lawn,
We'll
Lancaster
be eating.
Lumber, and Iceman Home, and by Kirksville.
94.5 The X. Come along, we're headed down on Broadway with George
Yeah.
Benson.
Man, I wish you could smell that. Holy cow. That is awesome. This baby's hot. Hot, hot, hot. Holy cow, look at the goodness. Look. Look at the goodness. Holy cow. Oh, let's try one of those. Yeah, I know not everybody likes those mushrooms, but I do. Oh. Oh. Man, who could beat that? The best of my love. Oh, that's awesome. Just look at that. Oh. Let's try some of that onion. Onion and pepper. Oh, look at that. Oh, it's wanting to fall apart. Look. Man, this is good. This is so good. I'm telling you. you have no idea. Oh man. Look at the goodness. Can you see that? Huh? Man, oh man, this is my third one, and I'm telling you, thank you, Mark. I thank you every time. Holy cow! But a Crawdaddy Forge. I'm feeling it. I am feeling it. Let me tell you. Oh man.
We play for you.
You can do Magic by America.
That's good. I'd like to stay and talk. I'm listening to Dick Bartley. I got a ton of food to eat. I gotta go. But I'm telling you, thank you so much. Thank you so much. I appreciate everything you do. Goudy out. Really out this time.